Hello friends, welcome. In this video, we will solve one more problem in isometric views. These are the given orthographic views. This is front view and this is left hand side view. The total height of this object is 20 plus 30 plus 20 is equal to 70 millimeters and the length is 10 plus 20 plus 10 is equal to 40 millimeters. And this is the width 40 millimeters. Now, we should draw the isometric lines. Firstly, draw a reference line and mark origin point on this line. Then, draw a vertical line perpendicular to this reference line from origin. This is z-axis. Draw the lines with 30-degree angles to reference line from origin to the left side and right side. To the left side, the line is y-axis and to the right side, the line is x-axis. This is origin point, so length will come in right side on this line. The width will be in left side, height is in vertical direction. Observe given orthographic views carefully and imagine the actual object from these views. You should draw the rough sketch of the object before actual drawing, like this. So this will be our final object. Now we will draw the object step by step. Initially we will draw this tick marked portion. Here height is 20 mm from origin. Then draw the line to the right side, similarly to the left side. Then the length is 40 mm. So mark a point on 40 mm. Then draw the vertical line from this point. Then measure 10 mm the left side and right side. Then draw the lines. There is semicircle in front of you, so we should make the isometric square. And the side of isometric square is 20 millimeters because the radius is 10 millimeters. Make the isometric square like this. Then mark midpoints. Join the opposite midpoints from big angle like this. Similarly, join this midpoint. Take this distance into compass and join these two midpoints. Similarly, draw the arc from these two midpoints like this. So, the semicircle is completed. Now, we will complete the bottom slot. Here, height is 5 mm. Then, draw the parallel line like this. Again, join this line. Don't forget this line. Here, the width is 30 millimeters from this point. Set scale parallel to this line and draw the line from this point. Similarly, draw the line from this point also. Then, shift these points back. And here, the width is 20 millimeters. Then, draw the parallel line like this. Dark this line. Then draw the line from this center point. Take this distance into compass and mark new center point. And take this distance into compass and draw the arc from new center point like this. Dark this line. Again, this line should be dark. Then draw the vertical lines from these 2 points. Now we will draw this tick marked portion. Here the height is 30 millimeters. Same here. Now observe front view. There is semicircle, so we should make the isometric square in order to draw this semicircle. And the side of this semicircle is 40 millimeters because the radius is 20 millimeters. Make the isometric square like this. The isometric square is completed. Now join the opposite midpoints from big angle like this. We have required only two midpoints because there is semicircle. Take this distance into compass and join these two midpoints. Take this distance into compass and draw the arc from these two midpoints like this. The outer semicircle is completed. Now we will draw the circle. We should make the isometric square, and the side of isometric square is 20 millimeters because the radius of circle is 20 millimeters. Make the isometric square like this. Here the isometric square is completed. Now join the opposite midpoints from each obtuse angle like this. Then take this distance into compass and draw the arc from these two midpoints. Do the same procedure to the opposite side. Take this distance into compass and join these two midpoints. Do the same procedure here also. Here the circle is completed. You can erase the construction work. Total width of this object is 40 millimeters. So measure 40 millimeters from origin and mark the point. Then draw a vertical line from this point. Then draw a parallel line like this. Then dark these two lines. Set scale parallel and draw the line from this center point. Again draw the line from this center point also. Then take 10 mm distance into compass and mark new center point on this line. Similarly, mark new center point on this line also. These are the new center points. Then draw the line from these joining points also and mark 10 mm distance. Then take this radius into compass and with new center point draw the arc like this. Then draw the arc from this new center point also and draw the tangent like this. Now shift this center point back by 10 mm. Take this distance into compass and draw the arc like this. Here the diagram is completed. Now we should give all the dimensions. This is 20 millimeters. This height is 30 mm. Here this width is 20 millimeters. Again this is 5 millimeters. And the total length is 40 millimeters. 10 plus 20 plus 10. Then the total width is 40. Again here this width is 10 millimeters. This radius is 20 millimeters and this diameter is 20 millimeters. This is 10 mm radius.